In this video, we will learn about microservices architecture. It is a software development methodology where a product is composed of various independent services, each managing its own specific functionality. It differs from the traditional monolithic architecture. In a monolithic architecture, all business functionalities are written within a single code base. On the other hand, microservices break down a product into various independent services where each component handles its specific functionalities. Now, we will cover the main concepts behind microservices. Firstly, it has individual components which operate independently. They can be deployed and developed individually. Secondly, these services are robust and handle failure very well. If one service fails, it can temporarily interrupt requests to that service without bringing down the entire system. Thirdly, with a simple routing process, it ensures seamless communication and interaction between individual components. Also, it has decentralized operations where each service functions independently. Lastly, due to its valuable features, this type of architecture is widely adopted in modern business. Now we will cover the pros and cons of microservices. Firstly, these microservices are scalable. It allows each service to be scaled independently based on demand, which optimizes resource usage and improves the overall system scalability. Also, they are flexible in technology, wherein different services you can use different technologies, programming languages, and frameworks. This flexibility allows the teams to choose the best tools for each specific service. Also, they help in cross functional workflow when developing a product. On the other hand, there are various disadvantages of microservices model. For example, it requires proper structuring of components. Also, as there are various services, it is more difficult to carry out tests. Also, the interactions to check and deploy heavily increase. Lastly, unlike monolithic architecture, where a single security test can cover whole system, in this model we require to carry out security features for each individual component.